Hey kiddos, look at these colorful numbers. What should we do with them today? Aha! Oh, the numbers are disappearing. Only the ones of the paper are left them. But don't worry, we are going to draw today. Let's start with number 0. La 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 la. Ta-da! Wow! Start with number 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great! Let's start with number 0. Friends, let's keep going and draw number 1. The next number we are going to draw number 2. Now number 3. Then number 4. Hello, number 5. Time to draw number 6. Now draw number 7. Let's keep going and draw number 8. I like a snowman. Do you like a snowman? Wow, great! Ta-da! 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great! Now coloring time. Coloring time is my favorite time. Wow, great! Zoop, 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 zoop. Aha! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Wow, great! I like number drawing. Do you like number drawing? Great! Enjoy the music and draw with me. It's very interesting.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 Great! Hey kiddos, so please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.